Hey you guys, it's Shundara. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to try the salicylic acid ice cream mask. Look y'all, I'm saying salicylic acid through this video. So you got a problem with that? I don't know what to tell you, but just keep watching the video. So on a quest to make myself look like a Snapchat filter, I saw this ice cream mask that is going to reduce my pores. So I'm really excited. We have to watch the video together. I'm ready. Oh my God, this looks so real. Let's do a close-up so y'all can see what mine look like. Okay, y'all see the pores. I'm a little oily today, please forgive me. Y'all see the pores right there. Here's the black marks. It gets rid of the black stuff too. Here's another black spot it's gonna get rid of. Here's my chin. Y'all look at my chin is gross. Look it, disgusting. What is this on my chin? My chin is horrible. Look how disgusting my chin is. Do you guys see that? I am on a quest to be a Snapchat filter and I'm really excited. So here's the mask. I'm so excited. It is in Chinese. However, this is the real deal. That is the sticker to let you know this is an authentic product. But it's in Chinese. It was made in China. Y'all see made in China. Just in case y'all like to say that I'm buying fake products. This was made in China and it's real per the sticker. Okay, so I can't read Chinese. I could barely get away reading like 2 letters in Korean. So I didn't know where the directions were. So I had to look far and wide for the directions, and everyone says just apply it to your face for 10 minutes. Oh my God, here we go. This is what it looks like. Oh my God, this don't look like ice cream though. Oh my God, it smells like a man's cologne. Okay, so here we go. Oh my God, it's so cooling. Oh my God, this is cooling. I have faith in this one, y'all. I have faith that I am gonna look like a Snapchat filter. Oh my God, let me get my neck. Oh, y'all, I'm about to look like a filter. I am so excited. Oh, it's in my nose. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know how I'm feeling. I feel like I paid $20 for aloe vera gel. What is going on? I don't feel filtered, but I'm gonna wait 10 minutes to see what's going on. Oh my God. Oh. So I'm 3 minutes in and this mask is burning. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to be burning or is it supposed to be cooling. So I'm gonna try to keep it on, but I'm telling y'all right now, this stuff is like burning. Like, it really is. And I feel like if I apply more, it's gonna cool it down because it is like this weird like mixture of cooling and burning sensation at the same time. But it is really itchy. I don't know why. Oh my God, this is Okay, you guys, so I made it to 10 minutes and oh my God, it gets everywhere. It was in my nose, my mouth. I don't have time for this. I'm ready for my Snapchat filter look. So here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. Where's the black stuff? There's no black stuff. Oh my God, y'all, this stuff, where is the black stuff? Where is the black stuff? I swear to God, I feel like I was duped again because there's no black stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God, you guys, I really wanted to look like a filter, but like I'm really irritated. Oh my God, this stuff is itchy. Oh my God, somebody help me. Oh my God, this stuff is really itchy and I feel like I'm not looking like a filter. I'm gonna go wash my face because my neck is highly irritated and I feel like I'm gonna be doing a lot of scratching today, y'all. Oh my God, this is like the worst. There's no black stuff and my skin is highly irritated and it smells like men's cologne. I am mad. So the black marks are still there. I'm not looking like a filter. My skin still looks the same. I don't look like a filter. Even in the mirror, like, look at my chin. Look at my chin. My chin still looks disgusting. So I don't know. I don't look like a filter. I'm kind of mad because I was expecting to have smooth, clean, pores gone, my chin not to still look nasty, and I just look the same. I am mad. We have a lot to discuss, so let's talk about it. Don't buy this mask. It is a waste of money. You know what? I'm starting to think TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube is lying to me about this ice cream mask. Don't buy it. It's a waste of money. It actually looked legit on Instagram. I kid you not. It really looked legit to feel like I was lied to about this. I don't think it has salicylic acid in it at all. So I don't even, you just better off buying Paula Choice at this point. Honestly, I just think it's aloe vera gel. But why would they lie on the packaging? There's no percentages of salicylic acid in the mask or anything. They are selling you aloe vera gel for $20. I cannot. How are you selling aloe vera gel for $20? Don't buy it. Don't waste your money. Good. If you buy it, good luck, girl. It's just a little nice little aloe vera gel for the summertime when your skin is burning in the sun. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.